Good morning. Sadly, today is my last day in Mont Tremblant. Wish I could stay an extra couple days and just keep skiing. I'm watching some chairlifts go over my hotel right now. There's a deer just chilling out there, being a deer, chewing some stuff. And right now I'm gonna go get some breakfast, and then today I'm going snowshoeing for about 2 hours, which is nice. I felt like I didn't really get enough snowshoeing when I was doing it in Gatineau, so now it's time to snowshoe in Tremblant. Let's go. Gearing up at the second time. I don't think I put these on correctly. I still wish we had the tennis rackets.
Oui. Ben, you know, that's why the name is, in French, we call it raquette.
Ah.
Okay, bonjour. Alors, welcome snowshoeing with the fireman tour.
Woo!
Okay. Snowshoe, it's easy. I'll show you the technique. Okay, it's really complicated. Look out.
Oh, I see. You walk.
It's really hard. But you have to remember, under your snowshoe, you have the spike. I call this the crampon. So when we climb, dig the crampon. Let's start.
Woo! Allons-y!
You want to try this spot?
Oh, I did do that yesterday.
In the Rivière du Diable?
Yeah, in the Diable. Yeah, my feet turned into icicles. Then we had some rain. And then we have a meter more of snow.
And then we have all this.
Oh my god, that's so much snow.
But at the end of winter, we have like this.
Jeez.
It's really fun. So that's why snowshoeing is great, because it's like flying in the air.
Yeah.
All right. That is thick snow. I love that dirty sound. Oh, the instrument. Check out this icicle. This is biggest murder weapon ever. Look at this thing. This is such a big guy. It's beautiful. Looks like something out of a church. Church of nature. That is so pretty. Look how blue the sky is. It's just so blue. Blue in my mind. Wow, we got lost, so our guide's making us a fire. Wow, I can't believe you did it. He's been at this for an hour. Please send food. Oh boy. Look at that. Nice.
And you're lucky the smoke goes that way.
Oh, yeah.
And not on you.
I actually love the smell of smoke. It's like my favorite smell, so. Now it's time to roast some marshmallows, but it's so cold. They're a bit frozen. Don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, my feet are so cold.
Are we?
I'm gonna have to put them in the fire. That's right in the pocket there. How long can you guys last without your gloves on in the cold? Well, it is with sadness that it is time. I now leave Mont Tremblant. I'm just gonna get some quick lunch right now, and then I'm headed to Montreal. Snowshoeing, really, really fun. The fact that we got to roast marshmallows in a fire in the middle of the snow was really great. So much ice, so much snow. My toes are frozen, okay? Even though I've got everything necessary. Now, I did try mittens on today as opposed to gloves. My fingers were warmer, but had no control over the camera / phone. So, personally, as a vlogger, I'm gonna stick with the gloves. I need those fingers. Let's get lunch. I love how when people go to eat here, they leave their skis and snowboards, and then just come on through the door. Okay, I finally landed in Montreal, and wow, this is quite an amazing hotel. This is a giant living room for me to entertain all my guests. You know me and the guests. Driving in Canada takes so much out of me because I'm driving with so much more precision and care to make sure my car is not slipping in the ice and sleet that's on the road. But also, I'm wearing these boots, and so it's a lot more energy to push it with that boot on, man. By hour 1, I'm like, my butt! I think it's time I get some dinner. It is such a nice city, by the way. Just exploring Montreal via car, it felt like this really cool mixture of like old, like 1800s and like new skyscrapers. It's pretty rad. Look at that big boy. What's so special about the maple syrup shop?
Maple syrup. We have maple butter. That's concentrated.
Maple butter, that's the like concentrated stuff that you gum. No, okay, no. There's all these different...
Butter we put on our toast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some maple butter, definitely. Just arrived at our restaurant where I'm gonna be savoring some champagne, which people keep doing this thing like this. I suppose I'm gonna be opening champagne with a sword, I imagine. Also, we're in a restaurant that turns into a club at night, so we've got like a DJ. Also, you wanna introduce yourself?
Hey, what's up? It's Martin from Tourisme Montreal. Party!
We're also going to Igloofest later, which is the EM festival, where it's just negative 20 degrees, so that's gonna be exciting.
That's why we're overdressed.
I can't imagine dancing in that cold, so.
You don't want to saber everywhere and like.
I hate when I saber everywhere, yeah.
You don't want to do that.
Oh, only saber in a
On the back. Have you ever done?
No, I've never held a sword.
Never.
Why would I have held a sword? Woo! I feel like that's a lot more effort than it needed to be. A champagne in the butt. There we go.
It's super clean, super straight.
It is.
Good job.
Just like me. You know, I've never had poutine. So the first poutine I'm ever gonna have in Canada. This is very, very bougie poutine, okay? This is flamin' frickin' yan. This is lobster frickin' stir. And french fries. I'm definitely gonna have some poutine tomorrow, probably some normal poutine, but this is my first attempt. If you didn't know, poutine is a Canadian tradition. We have french fries, it's just cheesy fries with gravy. Wow. Tastes like I went to Five Guys. That's good. Time to head into Igloofest. You know it's a Canadian festival when everyone's wearing scarves, hats, and 8 layers, but we still have onesies. You can't have a festival without one. Whoa! This place is crazy! Time to ride the Ferris wheel! That is a beautiful wheel. Whoa! We're on the Ferris wheel! Look at this view! There's the Igloofest right there. And there's some big old skyscrapers back there. Montreal all the way over there.
We are in Montreal.
There was a park. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted. I am so tired. I am pooped. What a crazy festival. I can't believe there's a festival where you just go wearing all of your clothes in multiple layers and you're still cold. Oh man, I'm so freaking cold. To be fair, supposedly today was like the coldest day they've had at Igloofest in ages. So like, dang, my beer was frozen. What the heck? Someone said something to me who said, this is the only festival in which we put the beers in the fridge to keep them from freezing. Oh, okay. Well, it's been a nice fun day. I've had a crazy one, ending in Montreal. Tomorrow I got a full other day in Montreal, so if you want to stay in touch, cool, do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, because I had a great time. I'm going to get some sleep. You get some sleep too. Please. Sleep enough, okay? I'm trusting you. Anyway, have a nice night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.